Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to set up a SIM lock on Xiaomi Redmi Note 13. Firstly, go into the settings. Now scroll a bit down and go into passwords and security, privacy. Now go into more security settings, Virgin Mobile, tap on SIM lock here, and now tap on this button, type in your SIM pin and then tap on OK. And that's going to be all. I unfortunately typed in the wrong pin code, but yeah, that's going to be all. If it helps you, please leave a like and subscribe. And if you have more questions, let us know in the comments.